Most jobs have positives and negatives, and some jobs just have negatives, in which case you should quit that job and do Doordash. Why am I doing promotional work for Doordash? They don't pay me. I can't have my 5 viewers get free promotion. Or yeah. Hi guys, and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be talking about the dark side of Doordash. And that sounds very ominous. It's not really that bad, but we're going to be talking about the negatives of Doordash today. I've covered a lot of positives from the great pay to the great autonomy it provides, but like any job, Doordash has negative sides as well. So before I get started on this video, if you like this video, definitely hit that thumbs up button. If you like this type of content in general, hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell to get notified when I post amazing content like this. But anyways, let's dive right in. Let's first talk about the really obvious negative side of Doordash. The busyness. Sometimes Doordash isn't that busy, and as of late, I've been noticing it not being that busy more often. That came out super weird. Hope you understood it. So, even over weekends, sometimes Doordash isn't busy. Some hours there is like no deliveries going on. So you really don't get to choose as much when you want to work. When Doordash isn't busy, you can't work then. When it is busy, that's the time you have to work. So if you're available at the time where it's busy, good. If not, you're probably not going to find that much gigs, or you're just going to be sitting around in your car doing nothing for long periods of time, which isn't optimal. Your time is money, and you should be spending that time getting as many gigs as you want in that span of time. So busyness is a huge one, and it's becoming more and more a problem since Doordash has become more saturated with drivers because of unemployment, COVID, all that crazy type of stuff. So that's one downside, but that's kind of obvious. What are some less obvious sides to people that haven't driven for Doordash already? Two is maps. If a map isn't updated, you will have problems finding your customers, and this can happen for any type of delivery system. If you have a map that hasn't updated in a long while and some roads have been renovated or some roads have been shut down, the map will take you down a longer route or will lose you somewhere because it's not completely updated. And that's problematic, but as I said, that's for any food delivery system, any driving system in general. So do take number 2 into account and try to download multiple map apps on your phone, Google Maps, whatever other maps you can find on the App Store that are well updated and have good reviews. So pro tip for number 2. What is number 3? Dead spots. So this is just internet. Say you take a delivery from a city to a more rural area. Sometimes the rural area will have dead spots where Wi-Fi isn't available. And if that happens, number 1, you're going to lose your spot. You won't know where to go because the map won't constantly update. In which case, you should probably get an offline map if you could find one. That would be fantastic. That way you don't lose your spot and the map keeps going even when your Wi-Fi shuts out. And the second problem is you won't be able to confirm your order until you come back out of the dead spot, in which case customers can say you didn't drop off the item, which can also be problematic. So service is a big deal when you are delivering for Doordash, and it can cause problems if you run into dead spots. But yeah guys, those are the 3 issues that you can run into, the dark sides of Doordash. Most people don't discuss. I just wanted to let you guys know for future drivers that aren't sure of these problems and probably should prepare for them. If you are an experienced driver and you have solutions to these problems, definitely let us know in the comment section below. We're trying to help each other out here, and yeah, we'll help you, you help us, everybody wins. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys later, and until then, have an amazing day.